Okay.
I'll have it open up for you.
Perfect. Hey guys, we're out here at Kim and Susan's house in Ogden. We're going to be doing a AC add-on with a furnace replacement. We currently have an 80% efficient furnace here. We're going to be upgrading this to a high efficient 95% single stage carrier, which we're going to run our PVC flues out to the exterior of the house there. I'll show you everything out there once we get to that point with the termination kit. So we're going to be bringing everything up to code as far as the gas lines, flex, shutoff, and sediment trap, also new electrical. We're going to pull a brand new 5-wire from the thermostat upstairs to the circuit board down here. So we're going to go with a 95% single stage once again. We're going to do a filter rack system, 20 by 25 by 1, right here in between the furnace and the return drop here. So we've got enough room to put that evaporator coil right on the top of there to make that transition point over. So here's where it's going to get a little intense. So we've got this whole supply run that goes through this wall here. I'm going to give you a tour here. And we've got all these octopus legs that come clear over here. Kim is wanting to finish this basement and add a couple rooms down here. So we've got to eliminate all these. So we've got one that's coming right off of here that we're going to eliminate. So we're actually going to cut this here and we're going to 45 it. He's going to tear this whole wall out and we're going to 45 it back to the side of the house there. And we're going to run that clear through this room here. And then we're also going to run that down to about this point over here by the window. So I'm going to give you an exact dimension as far as foot for how much material we need. So we're going to be eliminating these supply vents here. And then what I want you guys to do is just cut in an 8-inch vent. So what I want you guys to do is we're just going to cut in the 6-inch runs with a boot so that he can tie on. He's going to be running the flex duct over through the floor joist. So he wants to eliminate all of this supply plenum here, and he's also going to eliminate this return box so that he can finish this bedroom down here. So I want you guys to cut in one right here so that he can tie it into this supply here. We're also going to cut one over here so we can run it up through the floor joist and connect onto this one here. And then we're going to run a third one because he wants to eliminate this guy right here. So we'll come off that far side there and have you guys, and he's going to run it and tie it right into this guy here. So we'll get that done for him. We're going to run the line set right out with the new PVC pipes out to the exterior of the house. We're going to core drill right out through this window here, right above there. And then I'm going to show you where we're going to run that to the back of the house and also where we're going to pull power. We're also going to put a condensate pump right onto the new furnace there. And we're going to run that clear line up and over. And we're going to drop that into the washer drain right there. Okay guys, so to give you a better idea, this is the front of the house here. This is the driveway. We can put our line set right through this window. He's going to be eliminating this. So if we don't want to core drill, if we don't need to, we can go right through that wood piece there. But what I want you guys to do is tack this line set right up against this very nicely, nice and flush to the house. And we're going to come back here to the very south side of the house, and we're going to place our pad right here underneath this window right here. So give us a good 12 inches of spacing away from the house. We're going to put our disconnect right up in this location here. We've got our power. We're going to pull a 2-pole 30 amp breaker right from this GE panel. So just so you know, this is a General Electric panel, and we've got a spot for a 2-pole 30 amp breaker right off of there. So we're going to pop through conduit over into the condensing unit here with our disconnect and make sure everything is level to grade. Use vibration pads and give us a good 12 inches of spacing away from the house. Do a fantastic job. Go above and beyond. You guys can bring all the equipment in through the front of the house here, and then we're going to have plenty of space to work with right through here. Also, the furnace that we remove, let's go ahead and take that out. Kim wants us to put it in the garage for right now, so let's leave that with him. Do not take that in the truck. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, this is the current thermostat that we have. We're going to be upgrading this to the T4 programmable and also pulling a new 5-wire.